Dear students, it is second video of the Constitution of India, your civics. In first video, you knew about how the Constitution formed, how it implemented, and how many days it takes. These are the questions. You knew it. Today I discuss about preamble, nature, objectives. Preamble, at first you should know what do you mean by preamble. Preamble means introduction. In preamble, its aim, objectives, goals written. Then let us start. Preamble. We, the people of India, having solemnly resolved to constitute India into a sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic republic, and to secure to all its citizens. Here, we stand for the people of India, and we submit ourselves to the Constitution. What rules and regulation given, that one we follow. Justice, social, economic, and political. Liberty of thought, expression, belief, faith, and worship. These terms given in the preamble. Then we discuss about its nature. In preamble, clearly define what is its goals and what is its nature. And in nature, sovereign means we are the master of our destiny. No other country interfere about our country. We make rules and regulations, and we think about our development. That is sovereign. Socialist means minimize between rich and poor. Rich people and poor people, if there is difference, then poor people exploited by the rich and poor people living under pressure. That's why rich people given tax, and that tax spent welfare of the infrastructure, and that things utilized by the poor people, and poor also improve himself. Secular, there is no official religion in our country. You know that Hindu, Muslim, Christianity, different religious people are living here. No official religion. That's why secular. We not conflict in other religions. That's why India is a secular state. Democratic means all the power concentrated in the hands of the public. They choose the government. Every 5-year election happen. After that they choose the government, and they make rules and regulations. Our representatives make rules and regulations, and according to that we are governed. Republic, constitutional head, our president is not hereditary, means father after son, like that, not. It is elective. Republic. These are the nature of the constitution. Then next part, objective means justice. Everyone will get justice. Equality of status. Opportunity given to all. Everyone, he may reach people's son or poor people's son, everyone get benefit. Your rank decide by merit, not by religion or other things. Equal opportunity to all. Liberty of expression, thought. You are free to think about your future. Given all the types of facility given for personal development. that is liberty of thought and expression. Fraternity, we have to keep good relationship among us. Without good relation, we cannot progress, we cannot uplift ourselves. That's why we always think about cooperate each other, help each other. These are the motto of the constitution. All the rule regulation happening for our own development benefit, wherever school or whatever institutions or in your home, you also obey rules and regulations. You don't think that rule and regulation against on you. It is for betterment, it is for development of you. These things you go through the books and revise it. Like, share, comment this video, and don't forget to press the bell icon to get earlier information.